Welcome to Kuki's Cartoon Channel.
I letters words. I for India. I for ice. I for ink. I for igloo. I for ice cream. I for Italy. I for insect. I for Indian gooseberry. I for iron box. I for image. I for injury. I for ill. I for infant. I for Iceland. I for icons. I for injection. I for indigo. Thanks for watching.